You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this name, once and for all, correctly. Named after the wedding at Cana. If you want to learn biblical vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. English pronunciation here. Cana of Galilee. Galilee, or Cana in Galilee. How to pronounce Cana of Galilee. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.